The Ailun screen protector for iPhone 11 is a high-quality accessory designed to safeguard your device's display from scratches, drops, and other everyday wear and tear. Crafted from premium tempered glass, this screen protector offers superior protection while maintaining the sensitivity and clarity of the original screen. Its 9 hours hardness ensures that it can withstand impacts, reducing the likelihood of cracks or chips to your iPhone screen. The Ailun screen protector is designed to be ultra-thin, preserving the touch experience and responsiveness of your iPhone 11. It features an easy-to-install adhesive layer that allows for bubble-free application, ensuring a smooth and seamless fit. The protector's edges are rounded to prevent peeling, offering a comfortable feel when interacting with the screen. This screen protector is also equipped with an oleophobic coating, which helps resist fingerprints, smudges, and oils, keeping your display looking clean and clear for longer periods. It provides full screen coverage without interfering with the touch sensitivity or the Face ID function, making it a highly functional and protective choice. Overall, the Ailun screen protector is an affordable and effective solution to help keep your iPhone 11's screen looking new and free from scratches, offering peace of mind while using your device.